Hello everyone, welcome back to the IV's YouTube channel 10 Day SQL Challenge episode part 3. In challenge 3, write a SQL query to find the rank to each salesperson on the based on the number of cars sold. Ensure that the rank is assigned continuously and it is visible in the output. We have two tables, car details table with the car detail information and salesperson table with the salesperson information. In the both table, we have a common column, which is salesman ID. In card details table, salesman ID performing a foreign key here, and in salesperson table, it performing a primary key. So let's go to the MySQL workbench and solve this challenge. So again, we have two information from two different tables. Hence, we need join here. Select from first table is salesperson table, persons table, and we give alias as sp join car details as cd on the basis of common column sp dot salesman id. I'll copy the salesman equal to cd dot salesman id. Now we want the name of the salesperson, so sp dot name. So we have to find how many number of cars they have sold. So we have to count the number of cars they have sold. So we will use the aggregate function which is called count sales ID. We give alias as total sold. So now we have to use a group by clause. Group by for grouping the name of salesperson. Dot name. We have a spelling mistake here. Salesperson table. Now as you can see in the output, we are getting the name of the salesperson and how many number of cars they have sold. Now we have to assign them a continuous rank. So we will use a window function which is called dense rank. Dense rank over order by, we will use order by clause, order by count sales ID in descending order, close the bracket, and we give alias as ranks. Now in the output, John Smith have sold 3 cars and it assigned them as the first rank, and Emily Wong have sold 2 cars, it assigned them as second rank. Similarly, Tom Lee have sold 2 cars and it assigned them as a second rank. And Lucy Chen has sold only 1 car and it assigned them as a third rank. So that's all. I hope you like the video. Further for more.